The Netherlands, a golden Dutch treat. Welcome to the Netherlands, a city bound to enchant you. It's easy to fall in love with the magical views of the scenic landscapes. Marvel on the artistic masterpieces where tradition and innovation intertwine. Explore the country as you take in famous museums and galleries. Glide along the canal ring as you gaze at the gorgeously flanked traditional gabled houses. Witness a wealth of artistic gems in the form of eye-popping one-of-a-kind architectural designs. Walk along the heath fields of Hoge Veluwe National Park to enjoy the beautiful landscapes. See some of the country's best blooms at Keukenhof Gardens, known as the Garden of Europe. A vast swathe of beautiful land, the Netherlands combines a versatile holiday. Leave all your cares behind and encounter the beauty and charm of this amazing land. Love travel-related videos? Please subscribe to our channel.